Welcome to our fifth and last video of this practice questions series of level 1, and its section name is period end. And I have taken these questions from actual exam as well as from study material, and you will get more than 80% question from these materials into your actual real exam. So let's start our these questions with. Before starting this one, if you need these questions, please comment in my video and mention your email address. I shall share with you these section in PDF format. Let's start our first question. All firms and clients are unique, so period and can look different depending on who your client. Common tasks are added in QuickBooks with links to relevant data, but will be tasks that are specific to individual clients. Which features can you use to add tasks to your period and workflow for a specific client? Where can you find out about any changes that have been made to the transactions before books closing? For option or here. Depending on the needs, you might conduct period review at different frequencies of different clients. You can set the time frame that period and review covers in QuickBooks. Where can you access the download transactions in QuickBooks? Which of these sales related operation is a non-posting operation? Which of the following statements about account reconciliation stage of books review is true? How can you record mileage expense for company at year-end in QuickBooks? When downgrading client subscription that is on a revenue share, what will be affected result of downgrade? Which statement is true regarding role in QuickBooks Online Accountant? A leader bookkeeper in Teresa firm recently retired. How does update read for clients menu in QuickBooks Online Accountant? Which statement about setting up management report is true? You are in a final view stage and you find these situation. These are four quick answers. What should you do if you don't see setup tab in book review screen tab? These are four options. Which two forms related to employees incorrectly do you need file at the year end? Form 2 and 1099. Where would you go review client's expense account to see if transactions have been miscategorized? Which accountant tool accountant helps identify the transaction may have been removed identically from company file? And setting up for your period review ends. Where can you find the reports option? Categorize a large batch of transactions. What reason client wouldn't see exception to closing date report in report center? A statement about additional item in each tab of book review is true. Two ways to check client subscription in QuickBooks Online Accountant. New bookkeeper for firm don't want to give him any access. Then give what the correct process for setting up recurring project for the same client. Two statements regarding client request and QuickBooks content are true. Which tab allow you to view and adjust the balance for balance sheet account? Nina is using book review to complete a month-end close. What pre-workflows should he use? Transaction review tab shows these transactions. These kind of transactions can be classified. So these were the total questions for the section 5. I think these are more than 30 questions which have been taken from the real exam. If you have any questions, let me know at my WhatsApp number or email me at my email address. Visit my YouTube channel Abid Financials where you will find QuickBooks, all certification material, practice material, exam answers, study materials, as well as training material regarding QuickBooks Online. Please like my video, share with your friends, and if you have any questions, let me know at the comment section. I shall reply you as soon as possible. See you in our next series of videos. Thank you for watching and appreciation. Have a nice day. Bye bye.